Well, guys, we're out here in town today, running around, paying some bills, eating some food. I'm gonna pick up some medicine. And that's about it. That's all we got going on today. Just another boring day in the life of Big Bear's family.
And sandwich.
I mean, very exciting day with Big Bear's family. Yeah. It's so exciting. I'm shaking.
Oh. Me too. Well, in that case, I'm not shaking at all.
Actually, we're gonna go into Walmart, pick up her some medicine, get some cat food, maybe something to drink, and see if we got any totes. That where we can put some Christmas stuff up. Yep. I'm glad to have water after 4 or 5 days.
Yeah.
Went out Thursday, the night where the big storm came through, or let's just say the freeze, not really a storm. We still got snow and it's 50 degrees out. But yeah, we're gonna go out and do this, and we'll show you what we get. If we get anything cool.
I might buy something my money. It depends.
Can
you help me?
Where is the guy with the backpack?
Hey, boy, you're on YouTube. You're gonna be famous one day.
It's a little grainy, but
Who?
yeah, exciting stuff. We see people with backpacks, hiking backpacks.
Excuse me.
That poor fella's probably homeless.
One day we're gonna get $1,000. That's a lot.
Yeah, want my fries, Gus?
I
I got me the new smoky quarter pounder. BLT.
Excuse me.
Kids got
Who allowed you to do that?
chicken nuggets. Me?
I got chicken sandwich.
I
Sandwich.
got chicken nuggets.
I got chicken sandwich. Kane's got chicken nuggets.
Don't tell them how much I got.
Well, guys, I'm gonna get off here.
He got
Run into
the
Walmart
I had to,
and see if we can get into something interesting, or just stay boring.
yeah. Where's the snowman's at? Daddy, look what they have. I might as well just wear a unicorn one. Looks good on me, right?
No.
Well, we went to Walmart. We did buy a few things. And I probably got pie in my beard, pie crust. But we did buy a few things, and it was 50% off on all the Christmas stuff. And I got Mommy some summer sausage. She loves it. She's already devoured it. It's gone.
Some of it.
Oh, Samuel, he's styling and profiling with his warm, thick fleece snowman hat. Kanan got one too, but I don't know where Kanan's is at.
Penguin.
Hey, Kanan, come here. Let's see your hat, buddy. Sam's playing his PS5 with Call of Duty. He loves that game.
Yeah.
Kelsey over there got her a shirt.
I can't really be in the video
Oh, why?
because I'm wearing my underwear on.
Well, you just said it. Okay, he got him a penguin hat. It's nice and fluffy. I'll keep him warm when it snows, won't it?
Yeah.
You like it, don't you, bub?
Still have the tag on it for some reason.
Still got the tag on
Don't
it.
hold it.
And we got, we had one of these, as if you've noticed in the last, well, when we decorated back in November, we got one of these, and a stray dog got a hold of it, chewed all the wiring up, and it's not fixable. So we went ahead and got one. It was $16.88 regular, so half off of that. And we got her Mommy a new one. She loved it. So we got a new one. And we got a few other things, but I don't know where they're at. And we got some of these delicious pies. from Walmart. They sell these pies right here, mostly pecan, blueberry. They got a new flavor, strawberries and cream. And they are delicious. This is just a perfect serving, you know, if you want a snack. Kind of like a little Debbie cake. Yeah, it's got a lot of stuff in it. If you're a diabetic, you don't want to eat too much of it because it's got a lot of carbs in it. 40 grams worth. So one, that'll do you. But that's a nice little dessert after a meal, things like that. They have chocolate cream pie too, which is new. And they also have blueberry, not cream, but just blueberry and cherry and all that good stuff. And stuff like that. Oh no. But anyways, that's what we got at Walmart. We got some little things that goes in the windows up there, and they are light up. Well, I think Kelsey got a gnome and a Santa Claus carrying a Christmas tree. So that's what we got. That wasn't too expensive and it's cheap. And got him some coal candy, chocolate candy, but it's shaped like coal, pieces of coal.
Wait, who is that?
I say Kane's already ate that, bud.
Wait,
So,
did you eat the chocolate?
yeah, we got that and
Crappy.
stuff like that. So, you know, January's coming up here pretty quick, and I'm gonna let y'all know Saturday night, Lord willing, we're gonna have a live stream to bring in the new year. If you all want to join us, we'll do it, and it's gonna bring in the new year with the Big Bears family. So stay tuned for that. We'll probably start our live stream around 10 o'clock Saturday night. If you just want to join, and we'll go over into the new year, and you all, we'll pray it in too for those who like going to church and stuff. So we'll do that too. So stay tuned for that, guys. And let's see what else we can get into. We'll check back in with you later. Now paying more bills when they're out here in the beautiful town of London. Yesterday I went and paid bills. Today I'm paying more bills because I had to get money out of the bank and I can only get so much. Now we're at a gas station. We're gonna get some gas.
So where did we get this at?
You've got $43.
Yeah.
Okay, that'll work.
I'll put this in. What?
My handsome feller.
You will not believe what kind. I'm JD.
We came up with a new one today. We had Cheez-It chicken the other day. And today, Mom, I came up with the idea. I said Cheetos or Doritos. I was feeling Doritos. So we took some Doritos, crunched them up till finest powder we could do it. And we made some Doritos chicken. And guys, I tell you what, it's easy to make. Mommy just coated her chicken with oil, and she took her chicken and put it in the bag and dusted it, put it on a pan. Need probably a little salt added to it, and that's all you do. And you just put it in the oven, and look at that, what a nice piece of chicken. Look at that. Ain't that nice? It's stuck. It's kind of like shake and bake, but it's Doritos. I tell you what, that's good stuff. Just a bag of Doritos and some chicken. Yeah. So you just try it and see what you think about it. Like I said, I need to add a little bit of salt into your powder mix, but you know, other than that, it's good. Got plenty of flavor. Got that Dorito flavoring in it. Got the Dorito, like a cornmeal tortilla type of flavor to it. Plus the Dorito nacho cheese. And I tell you what, you could probably top it off with, or if you, we might do it next time, is get some thin ones and fill them up with some cheddar in it, or some kind of Mexican cheese. That would probably be good. Let me know what you think, guys. Well, guys, I'm laying in bed, trying to sleep, and look who crawls up into the stinking rump bed with me. Big old Frost. He's been crying and whining lately, wanting to, he don't want me to leave. Lord have mercy on us. And Mama Bear, he won't leave the room. He's been sleeping beside us. It's 11 o'clock at night, and he decides to climb up in the bed. Luckily, Mama don't have to work tomorrow, because this big boy would be up here. See, watch at him. He won't let me leave him alone. Watch at him. Watch at him. Give me a paw. Oh, don't do me that way. This is my adventures with this dog. He does this way a lot. He loves getting in the bed with me. Y'all have dogs that does that? Big old huge dogs like this? Comment below and let me know. Hi. Well, guys, this is actually next day. We've actually got a few days on this video, and we just ain't got a lot going on right now. It's after Christmas, and all the Christmas festivities is over with, and we're kind of going into the new year, which we got a live planned. I think I've told you that several times throughout this video, because it's been multiple days. It is tomorrow night, yes, which is the 31st. Today is actually the 30th.
2 days from now.
So
Tomorrow.
it's tomorrow night.
Tomorrow midnight.
Well, we're starting it at 10 o'clock.
We're not gonna have no
We're
cake.
going to do it 2 hours.
Basically 2 days.
Good hour.
But, yes, 2 hours. So, what we're planning on doing today is just cleaning up a little bit, taking our Christmas stuff down. We're doing some laundry and stuff like that. So, we may hyperlapse some of that stuff, because, you know, it might be kind of boring to you, and you just might like it too. I don't know. Some people just like seeing people do hyperlapse stuff and showing it going from messy to clean, or whatever, or clean to messy.
Clean it.
We're going to try to do it from messy to clean. So we're going to sections up on the tripod, and we're going to let you watch us fold clothes and
Food clothes.
clean up the Christmas tree and clean up our living room.
Right.
It ain't much. We're just a poor old Kentucky family. So, you know, follow us along. I hope you find it interesting. All right, guys, let's jump to it. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed our little video today. Ain't much going on right now. Like I said, it's Christmas. This is what we're doing to have, you know, do something anyway. That's what we do. We find something, little stuff to do. But plus, money's a little bit tight right now because of the holidays. So we gotta wait. Lord willing, we got some good stuff coming up though this month. We've got a few places we're planning on going, and we'll see about that. I ain't gonna tell you where. You just have to stay tuned for the video and stuff like that, guys. So hopefully we'll get some good stuff going here. Just bear with us and keep up with us. Keep continuing to support us, and as we grow and do more things, and hopefully get more exciting. And you'll see how this old Big Bear has fun and does it with his family. Now we've got some other exciting things coming up here pretty soon in the coming months, and probably by March or so. And hopefully we get to, I'm watching Kelsey, she's over there still trying to hang that calendar up. But hopefully we got a few things coming. We're going to be starting a few projects and things like that. And just got to kind of wait till it gets warm out. And, you know, right now we're in a kind of a heat wave. But guys, if you like today's video, make sure you go down there and hit that thumbs up. If you didn't like it, leave us a comment telling us why. And, you know, like us, share us. I'll get it out here in a minute. My mind goes backwards. Share us with whoever you like to, friends, neighbors, family, strangers, whoever. Get us out there. Share it on your Facebook, your social media. All of them new technology, fandangles, thingies. You know, get us out there so we can grow. You help us. We appreciate every one of you. We love each and every one of you. We'll see you in the next video, guys. And as always, have a big birthday.